Stop buying the wrong tires, seriously. That cheap deal you're looking at today could end up costing you hundreds of dollars later. Some tires wear out twice as fast, lose grip when you need it most, and can even increase your risk of a blowout. But the good news is that there are tire brands that consistently last 50,000, 60,000, even 70,000 miles or more. Today I'm exposing the tire brands you should avoid, revealing the brands that drivers trust for long-lasting performance, and sharing simple tricks that can make your tires last years longer. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last tip alone could save you the cost of an entire set of tires. Before we get into the list, let's talk about why tire choice matters. Most drivers make one huge mistake. They shop based on price alone. A tire might save you a few dollars up front, but if it wears out quickly, struggles in the rain, or needs replacing years earlier than expected, you're not saving money at all. Cheap tires often mean faster tread wear, reduced wet weather traction, more road noise, higher blowout risk, more frequent replacements, and that turns a bargain into an expensive mistake. Now let's talk about the tires you should avoid. First, ultra-cheap no-name brands. You've probably seen them online with prices that seem too good to be true. Usually they are. Many use lower quality rubber compounds and weaker construction methods. While not every off-brand tire is bad, many wear out extremely fast and provide poor grip, especially in wet conditions. Second, inconsistent budget brands. Some budget manufacturers produce decent tires one year and disappointing tires the next. Quality control can vary significantly. Common complaints include uneven tread wear, excessive road noise, weak wet weather performance, shorter than advertised lifespan. Buying these can feel like a gamble. Third, old stock tires. This one surprises a lot of people. Even premium tires can become unsafe if they've been sitting in storage for years. Rubber naturally ages over time. As tires get older, they harden, lose flexibility, develop cracks, and provide less grip. Always check the DOT date code before purchasing. As a general rule, be cautious with tires that are already 5 to 6 years old. Now for the brands that consistently earn praise for durability and longevity. Number 1. Michelin, known for exceptional tread life and premium quality. Number 2. Bridgestone, excellent all-around performance with strong durability. Number 3. Goodyear, a trusted name offering reliable grip and long-lasting tread. Number 4. Continental, outstanding performance in both wet and dry conditions. Number 5. Pirelli, combines performance, comfort, and reliability. Number 6. Yokohama, well-balanced tires with impressive longevity. Number 7. Hankook, one of the best values in the tire industry. Number 8. Kumho, budget-friendly without sacrificing too much durability. Number 9. Toyo tires, a favorite among drivers looking for long tread life. Number 10. Falcon, strong performance and excellent value for the money. With proper maintenance, many tires from these brands can easily reach 50,000 to 70,000 miles or even more. But here's something most people don't realize. The brand is only half the equation. How you maintain your tires has a huge impact on how long they last. First, maintain proper tire pressure. Driving with underinflated or overinflated tires causes uneven wear and shortens tire life dramatically. Check your pressure at least once a month and before long road trips. Second, rotate your tires regularly. Front and rear tires wear differently. Rotating them every 5,000 to 8,000 kilometers helps distribute wear evenly and maximizes tread life. Third, keep your wheels properly aligned. If your vehicle pulls to one side or the steering wheel feels off-center, your alignment may be out. Poor alignment destroys tires faster than almost anything else. Have your alignment checked regularly, especially after hitting potholes or curbs. Remember, buying the right tire is important, but maintaining it properly is what gets you the maximum value from every dollar you spend. So, which tire brand are you using right now? And how many miles have you gotten out of them? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Car Care Fix, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.